BlockDAG, BDAG, from pre-sale phenomenon to post-launch reality, tech potential, after-sale strategy, launch reflections, and price outlook. In the fast-evolving world of cryptocurrency, few projects have generated as much buzz as BlockDAG, BDAG. Launched into a crowded Layer 1 space, it promised to solve the blockchain trilemma, scalability, security, and decentralization, through a hybrid Directed Acyclic Graph, DAG, and proof-of-work, POW architecture. After raising over $452 million in one of the longest and most successful pre-sales in crypto history, BDAG has now entered the post-launch era. As of April 2026, the mainnet is live, tokens are trading on exchanges, and the focus has shifted from hype to delivery. This article explores BDAG's real possibilities, reflects on the project's post-presale, after-sale thinking, assesses the actual launch timeline, and offers a grounded view on potential future pricing. While crypto remains highly speculative, BlockDAG's tech and community momentum suggest intriguing upside, if execution matches the vision. What is BlockDAG? The hybrid tech driving its ambitions. BlockDAG isn't just another blockchain copycat. It blends traditional blockchain principles with DAG technology, creating a hybrid Layer 1 network inspired by Bitcoin's POW security, but upgraded for modern demands. In a standard blockchain, transactions form a single linear chain. Blocks are added one at a time, creating bottlenecks. BlockDAG uses a directed acyclic graph where multiple blocks can be confirmed in parallel. This allows for far higher throughput without sacrificing the security of POW consensus. Key advantages include scalability, claims of thousands of transactions per second, TPS at launch with potential to scale higher, dwarfing Bitcoin's approximately 7 TPS, or even many high-speed chains. Parallel processing minimizes congestion. Security and decentralization, POW, Bitcoin style, ensures censorship resistance and attack resistance, while the hybrid model keeps the network truly distributed. EVM. Compatibility. Developers can easily port Ethereum dApps, smart contracts, and tools, accelerating ecosystem growth. Accessible mining. A standout feature is mobile mining via the X1 app, already with millions of users. No expensive ASICs required for basic participation. Smartphones suffice, democratizing rewards. Physical miners, X10/X30/X100, are also shipping. Compared to pure blockchains, BlockDAG's multi-dimensional structure, as shown below, enables simultaneous block creation and faster confirmations, approximately 2 seconds, at ultra-low fees. This tech positions BDAG for real-world use in DeFi, supply chains, payments, and beyond, provided adoption follows. The pre-sale journey and after-sale. Thinking, from fundraising to value creation. BlockDAG's pre-sale was epic, starting December 25, 2023 at $0.0001. It ran through dozens of batches, ultimately raising $452 million against a $600 million hard cap before closing in early February 2026. Over 300,000 holders and millions of mobile miners joined. The after-sale phase, post-pre-sale strategy, reflects deliberate thinking. The team designed the extended pre-sale to maximize funding and community building without rushing to market. Once the cap was approached, though not fully hit, the shift was clear. Move from aggressive marketing to value marketing. Post-pre-sale plans emphasize ecosystem development, super app launch, mining plus wallet plus trading in April 2026, staking, already live, NFT marketplace, lending, oracles, and third-party dApps by June. Transparent vesting, 40% unlock at TGE, 60% over 3 months to curb dumps. Developer focus, tools, docs, low-code smart contract builders, and partnerships. Treasury management. Unsold coins remain controlled and on-chain visible for ongoing incentives. This after-sale mindset shows maturity. Many projects fizzle after raising funds, but BlockDAG appears committed to long-term utility over short-term hype. The 6-month pre-sale to mainnet window, a bold timeline, underscores confidence in delivery. Real possibilities. Can BDAG deliver on its promises? The possibilities are compelling. In a world where Ethereum gas fees and Solana outages make headlines, BDAG's hybrid design theoretically offers the best of both worlds: Bitcoin-level security with DAG speed. Realistic upsides include mass adoption via mining. With 3 million plus X1 app users already, passive income on phones could onboard millions more into crypto, especially in emerging markets. DApp explosion, EVM compatibility plus low fees could attract DeFi, NFTs, and gaming projects fleeing congested chains. Competitive edge. It aims to rival Caspa, another DAG project, but with added smart contracts and mobile focus. Sustainability. Lower energy needs than pure POW, plus accessible mining, align with growing ESG demands. Challenges exist. Competition is fierce, and proving 10,000 plus TPS in live conditions beyond testnet is key. Network effects matter. Success hinges on developers building and users transacting, not just holding. Early post-launch volatility highlights typical growing pains. Overall, BDAG has genuine technical potential to become a top-tier L1 if the roadmap executes smoothly. The real launch timeline. What actually happened? The real launch wasn't a single day, but a phased rollout. Mainnet. Went live February 10, 2026. Blocks produced, on-chain activity began. TGE and claims mid-February 2026, with some delays to February 17th. Batch claims rolled out. For example, Batch 4 in late April. Exchange listings, staged from March 2026 onward, LBank, Bitmart, etc., with DEX swaps live and more CEXs expanding. Full coverage targeted by late April. As of April 29, 2026, BDAG is trading live across platforms, with ongoing ecosystem activations, staking, super app imminent. Rumors swirl of major listings around April 30th. The launch met its aggressive timeline better than many projects, though vesting and market conditions caused price swings. Future pricing outlook. Speculation meets reality. Pricing is the most speculative part of any crypto discussion, and BDAG is no exception. Presale buyers saw massive paper gains, from 0.0001 to planned $0.05 listing, but post-TGE reality has been volatile. Current price, as of late April 2026, approximately $0.00029 to $0.00030, with 24-hour volume around $11 to $12 million. It has seen sharp moves, hitting an ATH near $0.40 earlier, but correcting amid unlocks and broader market sentiment. Circulating supply details are still evolving toward the 150 billion max. My reasoned outlook, not financial advice. Crypto is risky and past performance isn't indicative. Short term, 2026. With more listings, super app rollout, and potential bull market tailwinds, a move to $0.01 to $0.05 is plausible if adoption accelerates and selling pressure eases. Optimistic scenarios, strong DApp growth, could push toward 0.10 plus. Conservative ones stay sub 0.01 if macro headwinds persist. Medium term, 2027 to 2028. If BDAG captures even a fraction of the L1 market, for example via mobile mining and EVMEs, 0.20 to $1+ becomes realistic in a sustained bull cycle. Analysts have floated higher targets, but execution is everything. Long-term, 2030 plus. In a wildly bullish adoption scenario with mass utility, $5 plus has been speculated by enthusiasts. But this requires BDAG to become a household name, which is a high bar. Factors that could drive upside: Tier 1 listings, real TPS metrics, developer influx, and Bitcoin halving cycles. Downside risks: broader market crashes, failed ecosystem growth, or competition. Conclusion: a project with real teeth, but prove it. BlockDAG has transitioned from pre-sale darling to live network with impressive tech foundations, a massive community, and a clear after-sale focus on building rather than just selling. Its hybrid DAG POW approach offers genuine possibilities for scalable, accessible crypto infrastructure. The launch is behind us, successfully if phased, and now the real test begins, delivering dApps, user growth, and sustained value. Whether BDAG reaches moonshot prices or settles as a solid mid-tier player depends on execution in the months ahead. For now, it's a project worth watching closely. Tech first, community-backed, and post-hype focused. As always, do your own research, invest only what you can afford to lose, and remember, in crypto, possibilities are exciting but results are what matter. Word count: approximately 1,450, approximately 8-minute read at average speed. This is for informational purposes only and not investment advice.